Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Alvin here.
I'm JP.
And we're about to build an Evo 1 week before a car show. So right now we're gonna pick up a kit, a wide body kit for this Evo that we don't even have yet. But we're gonna go look for one soon. Let's go. So we're here to pick up our wide body kit for our Evo that we don't even have yet.
Dude, Alvin, you should definitely buy that one.
I don't know, man. So we're here picking up our Evo wide body kit, but before we do that, check out this sick ass wagon. You know what this is, JP?
What?
This is a Cyber Evo. Well, not really, but it's based off the Cyber Evo, but in wagon form.
Damn.
This is so cool. I've always wanted an Evo wagon, but in the US, we never got Evo wagons, so you can only buy a base Lancer wagon and convert it, which is what he did.
So it's pretty rare, right?
Yeah, it's rare to see a wagon in this form. Alright guys, so we just picked up our wide body kit and now we're gonna go back to the shop and do an unboxing. Alright guys, so just finished unwrapping the kit. There it is. So now we have to go look for Evo. But this kit is based off the Voltex kit, but with Voltex right now, it's unfortunately a 1 year wait and we don't have that kind of time, so we have to go for a Voltex style kit. But this kit is an AeroLuxe kit and they were nice enough to help us with our build, so thank you AeroLuxe. You should go check them out.
Sivi! Come here. What's up? This is the only Subi that we have in the team. What's up, guys? So basically, my battery died. I forgot to charge it, and that was my mistake.
Yeah, but now we're back at home. We got the kit today. Now I gotta go look for Evo.
Yep.
So we can put the wide body kit on. But first, I'm gonna drop off the body kit to paint. So that's probably something I'm gonna do tomorrow. So next time, in the next video, you'll probably see me picking up an Evo, but also going to drop off all the parts to the body shop.
So what he's pretty much saying is we're gonna have a lot of content for the Evo. So pretty much just like, comment, and subscribe so you can actually watch the whole process.
Just follow our build and hope you like our content.
Yep, we're trying to make it to WekFest, so wish us luck.
48-hour build.
Hell yeah. One week though, right?
1 week.
It'll be 1 week.
48 hours after paint to put the body kit on.
It's gonna be fucking hectic, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work with zip ties and double-sided tape.
Once again, shout out to our friends over at AeroLuxe for getting us that kit. Because before the battery died, I was trying to explain that originally I wanted to get a real Voltex kit, but Voltex right now is a 1 year wait. So I had to figure out something else, and the only other thing we could do was get a Voltex style kit. But
yeah, pretty much just don't shit on us. We'll make it work. We'll make it look good. And yeah, see you later.